These wonderful days just never end.
Considering the level of this battle, allow me to save my strength. Speak your mind.
Trash the mission briefing. I know what you want. The Revenant's battle. Now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone.
They will cough up some useful information. I hear them.
I'll manage them right away. Watch out. The currents will pull the weak into the abyss.
So you wrapped your brain. No! Who says there's always a countdown?
Playtime's over.
This execution is not worth witnessing.
Just a second, then this lance will pierce your heart. Just a second, then this lance will pierce your heart.
So you wrapped your brain. Now, wait in line. We got plenty for everyone. So you wrapped your brain and came up with a plan of plopping me here. Brought
Playtime's over. Have I granted you the permission to run away, my friend?
So you wrapped your brain. No! Who says there's always a countdown?
Mission accomplished.
What a thrilling battle. Now what does this doctor standing next to me think, looking out over the battlefield? Nah, save it. I'm not all that interested.